guys, welcome back to my family channel, The Happy Healthy Vegans. I'm Stephanie, and today I'm making pizza pockets with pre-made empanada shells. I've made them a few times and they turn out really well, and I thought I'd show you how I make them, so let's go. Okay, so I'm going to be making a mushroom and pepperoni pizza pocket. So first I'm going to start off with just pan frying probably about half this pack of mushrooms, and then I'll be slicing up the pepperoni I already made. And putting it all together. This should be enough. I like to actually I'm going to do the whole pack. If we don't use them all for the pizza pockets, that's okay. I'll eat them later. Turn the heat on and get these going. Okay, these are starting to cook a little bit, but I'm going to add some moisture to help them along. Should be a few minutes and then it'll be done. Then I'll set it aside to cool while I get the rest of my ingredients together. Okay guys, my mushrooms have cooled down. They're here with my sliced pepperoni. I made this pepperoni myself. I will put the link for this recipe in the description box below. I also have a bowl of pizza sauce, a bowl of Dia vegan cheese shreds, as well as some aquafaba from a can of chickpeas, and of course my empanada shells. Let me get this going. So what I'm going to do is spread some pizza sauce in the middle. You can put as much or as little as you want, depending on how saucy you like it. I'm just going to do a little even layer. A couple pepperonis on one side. A few mushrooms. Some cheese. I should have put cheese down first. That's what I'll do in the next one. Then I'm going to take the aquafaba and put it around here. Flip it over. Make sure everything's tucked in. And just kind of pinch it together. Make sure everything's tucked inside. You might get some sauce oozing out, but that's okay. There you go. You got your first homemade pizza pocket. If you want to take a fork and kind of squish it together a little bit more so you know it doesn't come apart, which I think I'll do at the end, I'm going to put that on my tray and continue with my next one. This time I'm going to put more cheese. These are great to take for your kids to take for lunches, for you to take for lunch, to have as an after school snack if you when your kids are hungry and can't wait for dinner. And of course you can also put whatever toppings in, olives, green peppers. You don't have to use pepperoni. Maybe vegan sausage bits, pineapple, hot peppers, whatever kind of pizza you like, you can make it into a pizza pocket. And your kids' favorites, whatever that might be, maybe just cheese. Lots of different cheeses, maybe. Cheddar, mozzarella. Okay, I'm going to finish up with these, then I'll show you what they look like at the end. Okay guys, here is my first batch. I still have some more to make, but I wanted to show you guys how these look before I pop them in the oven. I ended up taking a little fork, like an old lobster fork I found, and just kind of pressing down the sides to make sure that they don't pop open. Now I'm just going to quickly coat each one in the aquafaba to help from burning. Kind of acts as like a egg wash. So I'm just going to do both sides. And this is, you can't taste this. This is just to help it from burn. Keep it, blah, 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 blah. Wow, can't talk. This is just to help it from burning. Keep it from burning. Still can't talk. So I'm gonna finish coating these and pop them in the oven. Oh, and I also forgot to mention to set your oven to preheat for 400 degrees. And they only should take about 15-20 minutes. So I'm gonna finish doing this and get them in the oven. Okay guys, this has been in the oven for 10 minutes. I just had to flip them over. I was gonna show you, but I usually use parchment paper and I don't know why I didn't. So it was stuck, so I had a heck of a time unsticking it. So anyways, I'm putting it back in the oven for another 10 minutes because the dough definitely is not done yet. All right, I am back with my finished pizza pockets. Smells so good. It's really good. Probably use some more cheese though. Really yummy. See the mushrooms in there? And the pepperoni and the cheese. It's delicious. It's a great snack. Great for your kids' lunch. I hope you make them. They're really, really good. I ended up using 2 different cheeses because I started running out. And I had half a package of the Daya cheddar in my fridge, so I started mixing that up. So I have some pizza pockets that are just cheese. A couple are cheese and pepperoni. One of them I think is just cheese and mushroom. So you can kind of just play with them and do whatever you want. I hope you like my content. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.